In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a cable tricep pull down. This exercise activates the tricep muscle, and first thing you need is a cable tower like this one. And then when it comes to the grips, there's various grips you can use when performing this exercise. So you have like the rope, a T-bar handle like this one. There's also V grips, but either one you choose is totally up to you. All right. So in this video, what we're going to do is use the rope, all right, to demonstrate how to do this particular exercise. So when performing the exercise, first thing you want to do is go ahead and grab onto the handle, and you want to stand real close to the machine so you have a good line of pull, all right? So that means that when you pull down, the resistance is actually targeting more on the targeted muscle, which is the triceps, all right? So like I said, I'm going to stand real close to the machine, all right? Roll the shoulders back, keep the chest up, push the butt out, have a slight bend in my knees so I have a real strong position, all right? Now when performing the exercise, what I'm going to do is keep the elbows real close and tight to the body, all right? And then go ahead and pull down. Now when I'm pulling down, I'm spreading the rope apart, all right? So when I spread it apart, I'm really going to stretch, well, not stretch, but lock out my arms so I can get that full activation in the tricep muscle, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and perform the exercise. And this is how you do a tricep pull down.